Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will demonstrate how to disable AutoPay on eBay. Mastering your payment configurations is vital for sellers who want more authority over how their transactions are handled. This walkthrough will help you navigate eBay's menus to turn off automatic payments and manage your listings with greater precision. To start, log into your eBay account using your standard credentials to access your seller tools. Once you have logged in, move your cursor to the top right of the screen and click on My eBay. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Selling option. This section contains all your essential selling features. After the selling page loads, scroll down until you find the Shortcuts area. Within this list, click on the Block Bidders link. This will take you to the Buyer Management settings. In this section, look for the Buyer Rules category. Here, you can adjust how buyers interact with your items. You will see checkboxes regarding buyer payment requirements. The first one asks to require a payment method before a buyer can place a bid. To turn off AutoPay, you must uncheck this box. This ensures buyers aren't forced to have a payment method on file when bidding. Right below that, you will find a similar option for buyers making offers. Uncheck this second box as well so that a save payment method isn't mandatory for offers. Once you have adjusted these settings, it is important to lock them in. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button to update your account. Be aware that disabling these settings might lead to more unpaid items, so use this flexibility wisely to improve your workflow. You have now successfully deactivated AutoPay on eBay. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore our other guides to optimize your selling experience.